Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a checkboxes or checkbox sex symbol style. I'll change this sex symbol style. Now click on this form option and here you will find this select option and select a select animation. Now click on this checkbox and select. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and select properties dialog box, and properties dialog box go appearance select option and here you will find checkbox style. There are many kinds of checkbox style: circle, cross, diamond, square and star. I will add here circle. Now select cross. Similarly I will add here cross and see this, and here I will add square. Now select close and the hand option and see this checkbox symbol style now change. Yeah, this is in this way you can change your checkboxes sex symbol style. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.